Mochi! 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 Mochi!
What? 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 What?
What?
Mochi! It's ice cream.
What?
It's ice cream.
What? 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 What?
The woman.
Okay.
No, I want to see the woman. I mean the men.
Wait, let me
What's
put
the-
my
what's the
glasses
camera?
on. The sun is.
You might-
That's okay. When I was a kid, I had the cutest little pug nose because every time it was running, I go.
Nobody's laughing.
And now that I'm old, I got all wrinkles. All wrinkles from pushing it up.
Okay, thank you.
And she says, I just paid $60 for them. So Jeanette turns around and says, yeah, but now it's only 30.